We have another property for sale. This is 3.8 hectares. 3.8 hectares for 15 million pesos. Still a beach lot property for sale located in Barangay Tapal, Ubay, Bohol. So it has a wide frontage which is ideal also for a oil depot development. So pwede siya sa oil depot development or pwede siya gawin in turn into a pier or port. Konti lang ang mangroves. So ang ginagawa ng iba, yung nagawa ng beach ay ano lang talaga, parang ginawa nilang parang may ginawa sila na maganda para hindi maano yung mangrove. Inayos lang nila. Yun. So it's not really a white sand, it's still a brown, it's like a brown sand. But not a muddy. So there are many ways, no? You can convert this into a beach lot or beach resort development. So maganda dito, guys. At mura ang mga bintahan ng isda dito, guys. Medyo mura compared to the town proper. So that is the mainland, the other side of the kwan. We're still at the mainland of Ubay Bohol. But in shortcut, mas malapit siya. So makita man natin sa camera, no? Pino-focus natin yung Ubay, guys, seaport. May mga barko diyan papuntang Leyte, connecting to Bicol na yan, Samar, papuntang Manila kasi may bus na directly magbiyahe papunta na sa Manila. Kung ayaw mong eroplano, diyan ka na lang dadaan. So ito po yun ang front, no? So yan. Yan po. See? Maganda ang location. For me, it's really a good location for business. Gawin nating oil depot. At malaki ang lupa. Although it's still a tax declaration, but it is already an approved survey. May approved survey na siya, guys. May approved survey from the DENR. So, pwede na itong gawa ng title. Apply ka na lang ng title. Madali naman. Mag-apply ka lang. Then, the other business, yung beach resort. Pwede yan, guys. Pwede yan. So, ang malapit dito, malapit lang sa Liti, guys. Yung sa Ormoc side. Malapit lang. So, may maraming nagtatanong sa akin noon, mga ahente, sabi nila may buyer sila. So, still we're open, no? Open to the agents. May nakatira, there are informal settlers, guys. But according to the owner, it has already been settled. They have already settled these people. Pero itong side na to, parang isa lang bahay. Pero according to my guide, there's still part of the property. Pero mas malaki yung hindi natirahan ng mga informal settlers. Pwede naman sila mag-alis. Kasi may ano naman, dagat naman yan. Hindi pwede tirahan yan. It's part of the public. So ito po yun ang shoreline, no. So maganda talaga pag may develop natin to. Super ganda at murang-mura. Imagine you have a 38,000 square meters for just 1.5 million pesos. 15 million pesos. Saan ka? Diyan talaga maganda. Sa Ubay. Kasi bihira na tayo makakita ng mga ano guys, yung mga beach lot na ano. Yan, all are flat terrain. There's still like a face pan at the back portion. There's a portion of face pan, but there's still a big portion of upland. Yung barko na yan, papuntang Ubay at sa Cavite yan. So, traveling from Ubay to Leyte. Kitang-kita natin. See. And this is the mainland, guys. So, actually, it is in the second lot or third lot from the Barangay Road, Concrete Road. But the first lot is for sale at 1,000 pesos per square meter. So, medyo mahal na. But if you don't buy the first lot, the owner have already also arranged a road right of way. Kasi noon may bibilisan na siguro. But during the pandemic time, hindi na natuloy. So, ito na po yon ang property talaga guys, yung sa likuran ng beach. So napakalapad. So it's a big flat terrain. So pwede to gawin ng ano, rice field noon, rice field, pero mga may-ari ngayon hindi na kasi hindi sila nakatira diyan. They are heirs. This is an inherited property, no? Inherited property. And majority or all of the owners are living in Mandaue City or Cebu. I have gone to their house, guys. Napuntahan ko na yung bahay. Nag-usap na kami. Yun po. Kaya sabi nila hindi na kami mag-ano dyan. Kasi we are heirs, so marami din sila. Kahit 3.8 hectares yan, medyo malaki, pero majority of them will not go into farming. So that is why they are going to sell their property or their shares. So lahat sila nagbibenta at isa pa itong papilis. So, one tax declaration under the name of their parents. So, kaya ito na po yung sino-zoom natin, yun po ang front ng beach or beach front. So, nasa likuran lang to, malaking flat, patag. Okay. Kung ano mang plano natin, just contact me. And so this is the as you can see, the road, the concrete road. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.